author and one's about dwarves. So, the thing about being fucking chubby now is, man, we sweat a lot. It's wild. The other chubby people here, you sweat a lot like this too? Damn. So if I go into like somewhere to eat, they're not gonna say, sir, shit's gross. I'm like, oh, here, put you to the other chubby people section. It's where people still smoke and eat. Oh wait, sorry, that's Indiana, not Alabama, sorry. For real. They still have like village inns and shit. You could go into a section to get a country fried steak and fucking smoke. So weird. I mean, I'm sure my parents did it too, but whatever. But anyways, this is called Get Well Soon. I'm not gonna talk after this one, except when I do talk, it's gonna be in an accent. So, thank you guys very much. We're super grateful to be here and you guys to come watch. Like, I don't know, I don't even know how to say thank you in the right way, but yeah, thank you guys so much. It means more to me than you guys probably will ever figure out until you read my book. It's called 20 Whatchamacallits Later, Stormtrooper Dicks. My story. But anyways, thank you.